We are here and welcome back to AppGeekers channel. Today's video will show you 3 fixes when your iPhone stuck at Apple logo. You may see your device freezes on Apple logo during startup, iOS update, or a restore. Jailbreak activity can also cause the phone to be stuck in a boot loop, in which the only thing you see on the screen is Apple logo. But thankfully, you can force restart iPhone, use iOS system recovery tool, or enter recovery mode to get out of the situation. Then the phone will turn on again. First, force restart your device to fix the stuck Apple logo without a computer. Your device just turns off then back on without losing data to get out of the boot loop. The process varies on different iPhone models. If you are holding iPhone 8, 10, 10s, 10R, the second generation SE, 11, 12, or later models, quick press volume up button, volume down button, then keep holding the side button. The frozen Apple logo will disappear. When Apple logo reappears, release the button and it will reboot. In iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, hold down the side button and volume down button simultaneously until you see the Apple logo. In iPhone 6s or earlier models, press the side or top button and the home button, and don't let go until the screen goes black and Apple logo shows up. If this doesn't let your device go past the Apple logo to boot up, try an iOS system recovery tool. No matter what causes your iPhone to be stuck on Apple logo or a constant boot loop, this tool will upload all the potential errors and then get them fixed without deleting your valuable data. Better yet, it can also revive your iPad and iPod Touch from any system software crashes like endless reboot loop, touch screen not working, black screen of death, and more. Now go to appgeeker.com. Under the Products menu, choose iOS System Recovery. Then download the tool on your PC or Mac and install it. After the installation, launch the tool. From the bottom left of the main screen, select More Tools. In the next screen, click iOS System Recovery panel. Here, click the Start button to go on. Then plug your iPhone into computer. Once it successfully detects your iPhone, highlight Standard Mode and click Confirm button. Now you are asked to download an iOS firmware package to get out of the Apple logo screen. Just select the latest iOS version and press the Next button to trigger the download process. When the download is complete, click the Fix button. Your iPhone screen will turn black and then displays the Apple logo along with a progress bar. When it comes to the end, the device will restart and boot up to the lock screen. The final trick to fix the stuck or flashing Apple logo issue is to put your iPhone into recovery mode and reinstall the iOS software with iTunes or Finder. First, open the latest version of iTunes in a PC or Mac with macOS Mojave 10.14 or below. If you are using a Mac with macOS Catalina 10.15 or above, run Finder. Then use a USB cable to connect your phone to the computer. Next, you will need to press a combination of buttons on your device to enter recovery mode. In iPhone 8 or above, press volume up button, the volume down button, then keep pressing the power button. Keep holding even when you see the Apple logo. Now, release it when the recovery mode screen appears. In iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, keep holding down the power button and the volume down button at the same time until you see the recovery mode screen. In iPhone 6s or below, press side button and home button together. Keep holding both buttons even the Apple logo appears again. When it goes into recovery mode, let go of the buttons. Keep your iPhone connected and go back to the computer. Locate and click your device in iTunes or Finder. A dialog box will show up, giving you the update and restore options. Choose Update and the software will start downloading and then installing the latest version of iOS software in your iPhone that's frozen at the Apple logo screen. If after 15 minutes your device exits the recovery mode midway through the process, just perform the previous step once again to get into recovery mode. If you are informed that the update fails get you out of a stuck Apple logo screen, you will need to restore the device. Note that this step will erase all the data and apps from your device and restore it to its factory settings. So make sure that you have a recent backup of the contents before proceeding. Alright, hope this video helps you fix the Stark app logo screen in iPhone. If it does, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe AppGeekers channel for more tech tips. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.